owner of a tech company? Then yes, you are on the right video, because in this video I will show you how you can create a WhatsApp AI assistant. That too without need of any coding and programming skills using Pabbly Chatflow for your tech company. Okay? So first of all, let me show you how this amazing AI assistant is going to work in real time. Now what I will do is, towards this AI assistant, I have certain questions to ask, and let's see how this AI assistant is going to give the replies to your customers as well. So I will type in my first question right now. My first question is, what exactly is Cloud Sync Pro? That's my business, my software product name, and how does it help my business? Okay, let me ask this first question towards this bot. As I've asked this question, I will wait for a few seconds, as it will take few seconds for the AI assistant to reply me back. So I'll wait over here. I've received the reply. Cloud Sync Pro is a cloud-based automation and data synchronization platform designed to help businesses integrate multiple applications seamlessly. Here's how it can benefit your business. You can see the benefits are given over here in this message. Okay, I have another question to this bot, so I'll ask my next question. How can I log in for the first time? Okay, so this is my next question to this bot, so I'll wait for the reply now. And I've received the reply. To log in to Cloud Sync Pro for the first time, follow these steps. Sign in if you haven't created an account. You can see the steps are given over here. Okay, now I have one last question towards this bot, that is, what payment methods does Cloud Sync Pro accept? Okay, so this is my last question that I want to ask to this bot. So I will wait over here for the reply. And yes, you can see I've received the reply: credit, debit cards, PayPal and Razorpay. Okay, so this is how this bot is going to work for your business, and this is super beneficial because all your queries can be solved 24/7 without you hiring any more people to resolve queries. Just create this AI assistant, add it in your website, and everything is going to be done. Okay, and in this video I will tell you each and every step that you need to follow in order to create this very easy AI assistant. Okay, simply open a new tab and browse www.pabbly.com/chatflow. And you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow next. Now over here, before we create this amazing AI assistant, I want to talk about Pabbly Community, which is an exclusive space where you can find real-time updates on Pabbly. In this space, you can ask questions, share your feedbacks, and find amazing automation tips for your business. So go ahead and join our Pabbly Community if you're a business owner today itself. For that, you will find the link of our community in the description section below. Okay, now over here on the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow, you will find two options, that is, sign in or sign up for free. Now, if you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly Chatflow, then you do not need to worry. Simply sign up for free from here and get 100 free credits every month to explore more features of Pabbly Chatflow. I am already a user, so I will sign into my Pabbly Chatflow account. All Pabbly apps section is going to appear. As I want to use Pabbly Chatflow, I will click on this Access Now button. Then Pabbly Chatflow's dashboard is going to appear in front of you. If you want to learn how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account step by step, you will find both tutorial links, as there are two methods you can see right over here. Both of the video links are added in the description section. Go ahead and set up your Pabbly Chatflow account. And if you want to learn about the features of Pabbly Chatflow like inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs and settings, if you want to learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief, we have already created a video for all of you. Go ahead and see all those videos. The links are added in the description section. Now, to create an AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, simply go towards the AI assistant section right over here. After coming to the AI assistant section, in order to create a new AI assistant, simply click on this Add AI Assistant button right over here. And firstly, we have to name our AI assistant, for which I will name it as Every Tech Company Needs This WhatsApp AI Assistant. Yes, they do. Simply create this AI assistant and automate your queries. Okay. Then click on this Add AI Assistant button from here. And as soon as you will do that, the AI assistant is going to be created. Now you just need to fulfill some steps in order to create this AI assistant, and everything is done. Follow the steps. Firstly, we need to select the AI instruction. Instruction type I will select over here as AI agent. You can select the other instruction type or create your own one according to your requirement. According to the instruction type, the roles and responsibilities of that type is going to be mentioned over here. If you want to eliminate or add in some points, you can definitely do that. First comes under AI configuration is temperature. Temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being focused replies, 1 being creative replies. I want this AI to give replies between them. That's why I will select the range as 0.5. You can change it. Okay. AI to use, I'll use OpenAI. Model is going to be GPT-4 Omni. You can select other model as well. Then we need to provide the API key. To have the API key, go towards this hyperlink in the help desk. And you will land towards the API keys page of your OpenAI account. Remember one very important thing, you need to have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this AI assistant. I have a paid account, that's why I'm creating this one. You as a business owner should also have a paid account, paid OpenAI account in order to create this AI assistant. Okay, create, click on this button, name the key over here. Let's suppose I'll write it as new test key. So I'll name this key right here. Then it is asking for the project, for which I'll select over here default project, permission, give all the permissions, create the key from here, and then copy this key simply and paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. Okay. As you will do that, the key is going to be added. Now AI assistant settings, if you want the message, okay, you can see these messages should have a permanent footer as well as the header. Simply toggle the button on and enter the header footer messages. Okay. Now if you want to give your customers a chance to stop this AI assistant from helping, toggle the stop keywords button on. Let's suppose my stop keyword is stop. Enter it and press the enter key to save it. Now if the customer sends this word, this AI assistant is going to stop from helping. Okay. Retry attempt, if you want that, you can enter that. Fallback message, so let's suppose the API key, the key that we have entered is not responding, then this fallback message only then is going to be forwarded. Okay. Next it is asking, next section, that is knowledge source. Now what is knowledge source? Knowledge source is a document in which businesses describe about what they do, what are they, what is the business. I have described what my business is, what is the benefit of using my business facilities, like what are the benefits, what are the services that we provide. I am a tech owner, tech company owner. So I mentioned everything right over here. My plans, account billing, managing team, integrations, what kind of integrations, products, features, data, mapping, troubleshooting guide. You can see FAQs. I have entered a very described document. This is a knowledge source. It's a very described knowledge source. Now this is just a dummy knowledge source that I've created. You might have a very big business, a very big tech company. So over here, what you need to do is you have to describe your business from top to bottom, A to Z. What your business is, add in everything in this knowledge source and upload this knowledge source where? Inside Pabbly Chatflow. Click on this button. This is my knowledge base. I will upload it. And as soon as you will upload it right over here, under the knowledge sources section, you will see your file has been added successfully. My file name. If you will see the vector ID, that means this file has been added. Okay. Now with this knowledge source, this AI is going to give the replies and help your business to solve the queries. Okay. Next is assistant interface and styling. Now these two sections are only required if you're adding this AI assistant on your website. Okay. So now let me show you how you can do that. If you want to change this, your brand name, what's my business name? Okay, my business name is Cloud Sync Pro. So I'm going to just add my business name right over here. Now next over here, if you want to change this line, you can change it from here. If you want to add in another initial message or edit this one, you can definitely do that. If you want this powered by Pabbly to be enabled or disabled, you can do that from here. If you want to footer text like this with the link, you can enter the text with the link right here. So let's suppose the customer or the leads are sending queries towards this WhatsApp chatbot directly from the number, not from the website through this AI assistant. So simply you have to add in the first initial message of your user in this section. I have written I need help. I do not want to change it. Okay. Styling. So if you have a brand, like you have a tech company, you might have branding. You have your own colors. You have your own pictures. So you can change in the colors, pictures, backgrounds, profile pictures, everything from here according to your requirement. Okay. And the assistant is created. That was super easy, right? Because this is super easy to create this amazing AI assistant, that too without need of any coding and programming skills. To activate this AI assistant, it's mandatory. You have to toggle this button on and save the AI assistant from here. Now this AI assistant is activated also. Okay. If you want to add in this AI assistant on your website, go to embedded section. You will find the script, copy the script and add it on your website code. The assistant is going to be added on your website code. Okay. So now this AI assistant has been created successfully. Now what we are going to do is we are going to test this AI assistant. For that, simply what I will do is on my WhatsApp, I will again send another query and check whether this AI assistant is replying to my messages or not. Okay, and then we will end this video. So let me ask certain questions to this bot. My first question is, how can I contact CloudSync Pro support? Okay, so I'll wait for the reply from this bot right now. You can contact us through the email address and this phone number. I have my next question, that is, when will my billing cycle renew? Okay, so this is my next question that I want to ask this bot. Over here, I've received the reply. Your billing cycle of CloudSync Pro will need renew based on the plan you have selected, monthly plans and annual plans. Okay, so I have my another question, that is, how can I update my payment method? This is the last question that I want to ask towards this bot, so I'll wait for the reply now. Over here, I've received the steps in order to update the payment method. Okay, so as now this bot is helping me with all my queries, this is how this bot is going to work for your customers as well. Now we have created this amazing AI assistant. Now if you want to enable this AI assistant to all your leads, so let's suppose your leads are coming directly from the number. So if you want to assign this AI assistant automatically to all those contacts, simply you have to go towards the settings and inbox settings section right over here. And inbox settings, you have to simply scroll down till the end and you will see the option AI auto reply settings. Enable this button on, select the contact list. I will select all contacts right over here. If you want, you can select a specific contact list as well to whom you want to automatically assign this AI assistant to. Select the contact list, select the AI assistant from here, this is my AI assistant, and save this rule from here. As soon as you will do that, to all my contacts, this AI assistant is automatically going to be assigned if they send a query. Okay, now with that, if you want to specifically assign this AI assistant to a specific contact only, to one contact, simply for that you have to go towards this inbox section. And in inbox, this is like one of the contacts. From this, choose AI assistant, toggle this button on and select any AI assistant from here, and automatically towards this specific contact, this AI assistant is going to be assigned. You can see right over here like this. Okay, so now this is how this amazing AI assistant is going to reply to all your customers' queries. And as I've created this AI assistant, the entire process has now been completed. If you have questions or doubts related to this AI assistant creation, you can ask us all the questions in the comment section and we'll reply to you as soon as possible. Not just tech companies, any kind of company can create this AI assistant. Just update your knowledge base and the interface and your task is done. Okay, sign up for free today, get 100 free credits and experience this AI assistant. Create yourself one AI assistant, test it out and then buy our plan. Okay, so this was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Not only this WhatsApp chatbot, you can create multiple other bots using Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any questions, you can email us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can send us queries on forum.pabbly.com. If you have any Pabbly Chatflow pricing related issue, you can check out this link. If you like this video, please do subscribe to our channel, comment down below if you have any questions, and please do share this video.